Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Bluetooth not working on Android, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Bluetooth not working on Android, we'll be required to go to the settings of our phone. So open the settings of our phone, and in order to proceed guys, let's go to the apps section of this phone. Can scroll down and find the apps over here on this interface. Tap on it and let's tap on the app management at the top of the screen, and from over here guys on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icons. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on source system, and over here at the source bar at the top of the screen tap on there and type in Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth will be available for you. Tap on it. So guys, if your Bluetooth is not working properly, tap on the force stop button over here. Tap on force stop and then restart your device, and after that try using your Bluetooth, then it should work. Or else if your software might have a problem, you might want to update your software on your phone. With that being done guys, this is how to fix your Bluetooth not working on Android. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.